In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the process of adding the permanently closed status to your Facebook page. Let's begin. Firstly, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Next, tap the menu icon, denoted by 3 horizontal lines, then scroll down and select Pages. To switch to your page, tap the down arrow next to the profile photo at the top and choose the desert page. Once on your page, tap the profile picture, followed by the edit icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and beside Detail, tap Edit. Proceed by tapping Add Hours, then Hours. Within the options, select Permanently Closed and finalize by tapping Save. Congratulations, you have successfully updated your page status. Ensure your audience stays informed by following these straightforward steps. Thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for more valuable guides.